Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove a watermark from videos in DaVinci Resolve. So I'm using a DaVinci Resolve 19, and here I'm going to add just this video into the timeline, and you can see there's a watermark in the video. So what you need to do first after you add the clips is just click on this color button at here. And then here you can just use this window button, so just tap on this, the one with the eclipse shape icon, and here click on this drop down under the media player and choose the power window. And now you can just select the masking. Here I'm going to just use the circle one, and then just drag the masking in here to the watermark. You can adjust the size so that it cover all of the watermarks here, just like this. And after that, you can click on this tracking and choose this one, the one with the arrow, to do the fast forward and reverse tracking. Okay, so now after the tracking is completed, you can just click on this search column and then just find the object removal, this one, drag it into the clip just like this, and after that just tap on the scene analysis. Okay, so after this you can just wait until the analyzing is done. You can see that the watermark will be disappear, but if you notice there are some gray area and around the watermark, you can just scroll down in here and tap on build clean plate. Just tap on that and let's see the result. If you notice there's still a gray area, you can do adjust the masking again. You can go to the color again and adjust the positions of the masking again and choose the build clean plate again. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the